Good morning, everybody. It is Disney Day. I am up later than I would like to. It's actually about to be 5:10. I wanted to be at the airport by 5:15. Clearly, that's not going to happen. But I am all packed up and ready to go. I'm talking a little bit quietly because it is early in the morning and people are asleep. But this is my airport day outfit. I'm wearing my Tiana t-shirt that I showed you guys with biker shorts and this cardigan that I was talking about in my video. You guys can see. So I'm gonna put that on because it is 47 degrees here. 47. So we're not in Florida yet, but I will endure it because I don't want to wear pants on the plane coming back. It's gonna be chillier, so leggings will be bearable, but not today. So I will see you guys at the airport. Alrighty, you guys, I am here at Port Orleans French Quarter. I got my Mickey beignet. My room is not ready yet. I also don't want to go to Disney Springs right now because I'm going to Magic Kingdom later. So I'm literally sitting along Sassagoula River. It is beautiful out. I'm still wearing like my sweater. Hopefully my room will be ready soon. So I finished my beignet. My room is still not ready. So I guess I'm gonna walk to Riverside, and because it's a really nice day out, I'm gonna walk to Riverside, take some pictures, do some shopping. I mean, I could go to Magic Kingdom right now, but I'm not dressed for Magic Kingdom, so, and I don't have sneakers on, and I don't go to the park without sneakers. So I've never walked to Riverside before. I've stayed at Riverside, but I've never walked to Riverside from French Quarter. I always take the boat. So I'm gonna see how long it is. Hopefully this will eat up some time. I also need to find somewhere to fill up my water bottle, and we'll go from there. But so far so good. Taking it very slow. The beignet was really good. I got the Shamrock beignet without the milkshake pipette because I can't have dairy. It was really good. It was like mint chocolate, like ganache with the sprinkles. So yeah, good little snack, and we're off to Riverside. Am I already at Riverside? Are you kidding me right now? It's Riverside? That was quick. Huh, yep, that's Riverside, because that's where we stayed the last time we were here at Parterre Place. Ooh, those were the royal guest rooms. Oh my god, is that a bat? Those are where the royal guest suites are. That was a very quick walk. All right, well, we're at Riverside now. guys, the floors at Port Orleans French Quarter have Tiana's crown in them. As you can see, I'm walking to my room now, so let's go find my room. But look at that detail. Obsessed. Wow. I have finally made it in my room. Where is the light? Why is the switch so low? Wow. What a journey. I'm on a corner room, which is what I suggested. What I requested was a corner room, and so that's probably why it took me forever to get a room. But I love this room. It's really spacious. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick room tour and kind of decompress as I get ready to go to Magic Kingdom. So let me flip this around and show you guys Port Orleans French Quarter. So this is the view when you walk in. These really nice curtains, and they still have like this older like AC unit thing. I don't know why the light switch is so low. Like, that's the door handle, that's the light switch. I don't, you know. But this is the table, and they provided Mardi Gras beads, which you don't get at Riverside. So, side note. You have this mirror. Hello, very nice mirror. Very nice lighting too. The Royal Guest Suites in Riverside, the lighting was so orange, it was really terrible. So the lighting in French Quarter is much nicer. Here we have this drawer set. You have 3 dressers, and then I believe in here is the fridge. I'm not opening it, it's a fridge. You've got a coffee maker here with, ooh, usually a coffee mate, so that's cool. This is also new, so that's cool. This is the TV. A lot of the resorts are putting these smart TVs, which is such a great touch. Each resort has their own theme, so this is the Port Orleans theme. When we stayed at Coronado, it was like a kind of like Spanish like theme, and it had like the resort layout. It was very cool. The beds, this is a standard room, so it comes with 2, I believe, queen size beds. And then on this bed, we have a Mickey towel. And then the lights, that one is crooked. Do y'all see that? What happened there? Oh, okay. Well, the light switch have a fleur-de-lis on it. And this is the bedside table with the take along to the Magic and safety. Love safety. The light, the fan. I love the moderate resorts, most of them, because they have a ceiling fan. Huge luggage bench. I mean, ginormous. Really nice coat rack as well. Like, this is really nice. You have a shelf up here, perfect for storing tons of Loungeflies, which this trip I'm only storing 1. No barn style door, which we had at Coronado Springs. And there was also a curtain at Riverside, but that's because we were in a Royal Guest Suite. I don't know if the standard rooms at Riverside have a curtain that I can't seem to close. Okay, curtain. Is there any detail in this curtain? No. Okay. And then you have the light. The one thing I love about moderate resorts is that they have a double sink. You don't get that in Value, so I really appreciate that. This is a newer safe, which is nice. So it has like the code. You have an extra pillow, extra blanket. The closet space is kind of integrated into this vanity area. Very nice. H2O, love to see her. Oh, my camera's not gonna focus. Makeup mirror, vanity mirror, which once again, the lighting is immaculate. And the bathroom. On the back of the door, it has a full-length mirror. There are lots of mirrors in this room, which I appreciate. Tons of extra toilet paper, like, wow. And the curtain, which has Princess and the Frog detailing on it. I love this. Oh my gosh. And then you have the thing to hang up wet bathing suits. Shelving. We still have H2O products, which is awesome. I know they're phasing that out. Just like a little bench there. And yeah, that's pretty much a standard corner room here at French Quarter. So let me take my bag off because a lot has happened since I left you guys. And I'm actually going to close my curtain. The pro about being on the corner is that you have so much extra space, but the con is that there are people just like everywhere. Also, my Magic Band did not work on my door, but my phone did. I don't understand that, so I might have to go to the front desk to figure that out, or just unlock the door with my phone. Anyway, when I left off with you guys, I told you guys that I hadn't gotten my room yet, which was true. I was walking around all of French Quarter, which is true. And I went, after I filmed that clip, I sat on a bench for a little bit, and I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna go. It was really hot. It is really hot, like mildly hot at this point in the day. And I was like, I'm just gonna go to Disney Springs to try swirls on the water. So as soon as I got on the boat, which is a perk about staying at the Port Orleans Resorts, French Quarter or Riverside, is that you can take a boat over to Disney Springs, and that's really awesome because Swirls on the Water is in Marketplace, which is, and the Landing, which is the side where the boats dock. If you want to go to like West Side, you're walking the entire like Disney Springs, length of Disney Springs. But as soon as I got on the boat, I got a text that my room was ready. So that was nice, but I went ahead. I was already on the boat, clearly already on the water. I've already made up my mind I was going to get a Dole Whip. I tried Swirls on the Water, honestly was not too impressed. I love Dole Whip because I can't eat ice cream, but a lot of their swirls were like Dole Whip soft serve swirl, and so I literally went to Swirls on the Water to get a pineapple Dole Whip. Which, I mean, it's not bad. Obviously, it's my first Dole Whip of the trip, but like, I would not have gone all the way to Disney Springs for a pineapple Dole Whip. I would have just went to the Polynesian, went to Magic Kingdom early, just went to the Polynesian, and I also would have been in my room sooner. But regardless, I am here in my room. It is very beautiful, very spacious, very gorgeous. It's my home for the next couple of days, and this is where I'm going to leave you guys here, because I am getting ready to head to Magic Kingdom. I have literally 30 minutes to get ready for Magic Kingdom, which is a whole nother thing, but that will be in the next vlog. So thank you guys so much for following me along on this very interesting travel day. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any current and future Disney content, and follow me over on Instagram for real-time Disney posting. It's magically.candrine. Thank you guys so much for following me along, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.